Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I want to make a quick video to make something clear. So my son right now is sitting next to me, so you may see me always turn to this side. So the things I want to make clear is that some people saying that I show my son's face on Patreon. I have been seeing similar comments for several months, so I think it's good to make it clear. I did not show my son's face on Patreon, and I will not show my son's face on Patreon. I just want to, yes, well, I just want to make this clear. I know a lot of you are disappointed about it. Yes, I'm sorry about that. I cannot show my son's face on the internet. I actually want to share more about my life, but it's just hard. If we meet one day in real life, I would love to introduce my son to you. I think we will have a lot of fun. He's very fun. He laughs a lot. So this week Patreon video is about my life has not been smooth since. So on my Patreon, I share more about my personal life. My son wants to talk to me every minute. He's curious about everything. He was trying to reach my tripod. Hi. Hi. I am making a video. He loves when I talk to him and look at him and interact with him. He's trying to reach my tripod. Qing Qing. I really wish I understand what he's saying. I want to understand him and to get what he needs. Right now he's curious about everything in this world. I'm trying my best to satisfy what he needs, what he wants to explore. If you subscribe to my second channel, you probably know that he likes me to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Qing Qing. I would be very happy if you subscribe to my second channel. He's reaching my tripod. I'm trying my best to record some of the moment of me and him, but I will not show his face. I have been adding a lot of new listing on my Poshmark. I sell some of my used clothes and my DIY dresses. Yes. What it says? Tao, 毛巾. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video soon. Bye bye. Hi. He's very, very cute. He's like an angel.